guys, welcome back to my channel. So since we are not able to do traveling these days, I will do a video showing my small garden here in my accommodations, and I will show you also the garden of my friends and my colleagues, and of course my partner. He is also doing a small garden. You know guys, making a garden just make you release your anxiety, your stress. When you get out in your rooms and you saw your garden, it makes you feel like enlightened, makes you happy. That's why we do a gardening. And you know, here in Maldives it's very difficult to have a good soils because it's all around of sands, but we still manage. What we did is we cut a little branches of the trees because outside in the island there's a lot of trees and plants. So we cut the small one, we plant it in the like this. We have improvised pots. Look at this, all like this. And so guys, I will show you. I have the philodendrons burley marks, and I have different types of plants as well. I have the snake plants. These all my collections of plants. So guys, this is the sweet potato. As you can see, it's very grow nicely. It's so healthy. And there's one more plants I have here. Look at that. Okay. And I have the hanging plants here. I have a small area, so I need to congest all the plants over here. Brianda's garden. So he has a nice plants of chili. As you can see, look at the chili. It's very big already, and it's so healthy. You know guys, this chili is just only on the terrace, but they put lots of soil here, and the chili is growing nicely with the news actually already as well. Since all these guys are like cooking different kinds of curry, it really helps for them to have this fresh chili. And this is the bitter gourd. The other bitter gourd, before they give a fruit already, so we use it already, and we made a rope here so they can nicely grow here. It's so healthy as well. This is the baby rose. This garden belongs to Prianta, so he is one of our colleagues who's taking care another garden, and his garden is very healthy. There's a lot of flowers. Look at this. Wow, so beautiful. He was really determined to grow his plants very healthy. Look at guys, this plants is very difficult to take care because this fungus is always everywhere, so you really need to take care of this. So look at this. This is one of the Anturium. Prianta had a very beautiful Anturium now, and the flower, guys, look at that, so nice. I hope we can grow this one more since the roots is there, so once it will produce more roots, we can regrow again. And now I'm going to show you the garden of our housekeeping colleagues. So they are so creative people, and look at this. They also have a house bird over here. They have orchids, and they make a board, and it's really creative. They make the whole island. They draw on using the leaves. And instead of throwing all the garbage and the plastics, they create it as a pots to put all the hanging plants. Look at that. So green. And look at this. It's very lush already. And how unique they make their hanging plants. Look at that. They have a big money plants also. So this is belong to housekeeping, guys. See how they make and how they manage to have a garden. Even we have a small space, as long as you have a determination and you are happy with what you are doing, you can have a like beautiful like this. Guys, I'm going to show you another indoor garden of our two colleagues, Musa and Latif. So they have a very beautiful garden as well, and I'll show you around, guys. On this side, he has a small plants of pothos, or we call it money plant. And on the top, he has some philodendron burlimax. These plants, he has a beautiful monstera. It's quite lush now. And that's so beautiful. And down, he has different types of plants as well. He has the watermelon peperomia, and look at his Anturium. It's very beautiful red Anturium. And he also have the beetle fig leaves. It's lush, very lush now. It's look at that, it's so beautiful. And he also had the calathea arpifolium. Look at this, so nice. So guys, Latif and Musa, they're working in engineering, and I really adore how they are both managed to take care of these plants even though in the busy days. And all these plants, guys, they're buying through online. As you know, in this island, it's quite difficult to bring some stuff, and these guys did a great job. So nice, look at that. And now guys, we are now in the outdoor garden, which is taking care of the wife of our GM. And I'll show you around here. She has a lot of flowers, different kinds of plants, and she also grows some vegetables and herbs. And she provides very unique fertilizers. She uses natural coco peat for her plants, and that's why it's become very healthy, all her plants, because it's all naturals. And she also have mint leaves here, and it's very healthy, and this is only grown with a styrofoam, and she puts some water on it, but it's still so healthy. And here she also have a sweet potato. The past few days we already harvested this one, and she mixed it to some desserts that she's making. And she also have some hot basil over here, and she used to cook a Thai dish, and she don't need to take from somewhere, she just pick on the garden. So a lot of that. And the other side, she also have a Thai basil, but still babies, still not growing. And a lemongrass here, and a tall tree of moringa. And on the other side, she has the flower pea. This flower pea is the color is white, butterfly pea, and this can be made as a tea, and it's very good for stress and anxiety. Just pick the flowers and put in the hot water, and instantly you have the very healthy tea. And this side, she also have a nursery for chili, tomatoes. There's a small papaya as well. So all these things are ready to place once they grow. And she also have here the pandan. And another plants over here. And you know guys, the fun fact is we have these special herbs. If you love a Thai dishes or Thai sauce for the grilled or fried fish, this one was very nice for that. So from these dry flowers, the seeds is coming down. So as you see, many babies already there. So once they grow up, it will be like this. These leaves was very precious for us for cooking Thai dishes. Making a Thai sauce, tom yum soup, you can add on these leaves. This area, we had all the flowers here. No, it's not the flowers. We have all the plants over here as well. We have healthy aloe vera. Look at that aloe vera. Different kinds of snake plant. And the orchids. Very improvised because we use the bamboo to hang the plants. And another orchids here. It's about to bloom. So that's it guys, this garden was very beautiful. I hope you like it. since we cannot explore other places, so we make our place more beautiful.